stepping out and living with corona around us. We have a very mixed audience today from different parts of the country and some even outside the country. But we all have a common goal, that is of defeating corona. We all have heard the phrase, prevention is much better than cure, but today we can aptly say that prevention is better than corona. Our integrated wellness clinic was established with the vision to provide an integrated approach in preventing as well as managing diseases, bringing the best of modern medicine and natural techniques of healing under one roof. Its main motive is to provide specialist opinion with the aim to build a healthier society. Our treatment protocols are carefully built over last 10 years of clinical application on a variety of disease syndromes. We try to harness the body's own ability to heal with minimum side effects. Our team of specialists provide a tailor-made approach in treatment as we strongly believe that each patient is different from the other. And we provide highly customized packages for lifestyle diseases, anti-anxiety, anti-depression, obesity, teenage problems, and special immunity booster packages. Today we have everybody please mute yourself. Today we have this team of our integrated wellness clinic with us, who are specialists in their own field of work. Dr. Ruby Bansal, she's a well-known HIV and lifestyle disease expert, and she heads the wellness department at Yashoda Hospital. Dr. Deepika Kohli, she's a renowned nutritionist and dietitian with enormous experience and working at Radix Healthcare and Jeevan Anmol Hospital. Myself, I'm Dr. Priya Kapoor. I'm a homeopathic consultant and chronic disease expert at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Vaishali. I'm sure that you all have been well adjusted to being indoors for the last few weeks. But now, friends, the time has come to step out. In today's meeting, we all will have an interactive session on the do's and don'ts of working and living with corona around us. As the experts are talking to you, everyone can send their queries to me on my personal chat, and they will all be answered towards the end. Over to Dr. Ruby Bansal.
Namaskar. So, good evening all, and thank you for connecting with us. So this is the initiative we have started just to make sure how we can remove the fear and how we can make the people comfortable with current situation, right? So we know invisible virus is around us, and we tried a lot, but it's not going away. Rather, it's spreading. It's like in the community now. It's numbers are increasing, but I don't think so कि there is any reason to be worried about. As इतना सारा lockdown हुआ है, उसमें we already get adjusted to live in. अभी there are other problems which we need to sort it out. So only rule is protect yourself and protect others. It might be waiting you anywhere, at surfaces, in cough, sneeze, and especially in the hand. So you should be aware of these hands. So what we need to do if we are going for the work in the coming time, or we have already started. So what are the do's? Especially who want to go to the work, they have to cut down their sleeping time in the morning, so they have to get up early. So what is the advantage of getting up early? You need to prepare yourself, because hurriedness is not good for the virus, not for you. So how you can prepare yourself? 30 to 40 minutes, give time to yourself. In what way? Indoor walk, terrace walk, exercise, even the standing walk you can do, yoga, 10 minutes of the yoga, pranayam, whatever you know or you can learn it. And the especially important part is the 10 minutes of the meditation, which is very important. So if you don't know, we can teach individually to everyone, any one of you, or you can just learn it from the different ways. So what you need to do, you need to prepare yourself. 2 glasses of warm water in the morning, whether it is with the lemon, whether it is with the honey, whether it is with anything. Dr. Deepika will tell you how water you can take. Healthy breakfast is a must. Please do not go empty stomach, right? So it is a rule for now कि अगर घर से बाहर निकलना है तो ब्रेकफास्ट करके ही निकलना है, right? So that is what is needed. How to prepare for the office? This is not the time to eat out, so you should be ready with your lunch box. So that should be easy and which you can eat easily at your office, and it should be the nutritious. Again, Dr. Deepika will tell you. So take your own water bottle in which you can put some piece of lemon and a few leaves of the mint. So that you need to take from your home. Okay. What other things to take with you? Take hand sanitizer with you. Take a small bottle of soap, liquid soap with you. Take your own hand towel, because we are trying to minimize the touching the others things in the office or wherever it is there. Okay. So this is the things which you need to take with you. What is important? How do we get ready? So it's important is you should wear the clothes which are easy, light and washable. So which you can, when you are coming from the office, you can easily wash them. No to watches, no watch is needed, no to jewelry, no to chain, tie, etc. Because how many things you will wear, it can be contaminated with from the virus. No extra gadget, like if you are taking so many of the iPods, iPads, laptops, so whatever essential, only take that to your office. Avoid touching face, nose and eyes. This is the most important thing. Protect your hand and protect your face. So that is what you need to do. How to, especially when you are going out for the work, your hair should not lie down like mine, because I am sitting at home, but otherwise it should be properly tied up, and you can wear some sort of the cap as we are doing. I am a doctor. I am every day going like this. So my hair should not be lie down on the forehead or anywhere, because that will make me uncomfortable and I will touch them. So we are just trying to avoid touching our face and nose and the mouth. Now, important thing is mask. Very important. How to wear the mask. This is a simple mask. Important is what mask you should wear. I will tell, but how to wear the mask. First thing, this is a mask. You should hold it from the straps and just cover yourself. So nose should be covered and to your elbow, and it should be tight. If it is not tight, you need to make it tight. Okay. So there should not be entry to the virus. And which mask is the best? Lot of myths around. Which mask is the best? Definitely you don't need these type of the N95 mask. If you can see everyone, this is not for you. This is for the doctors and doctors who are doing the procedure. Even I am physician, I am not wearing this mask in the hospital. I am wearing this kind of the mask. So don't rush for these masks to get it, because it is not the point. First thing, it is very uncomfortable to wear and you will keep on touching it. And second thing, it's already deficit for the medical professional. So we should not misuse the product, right? So that is cloth, 3-layer cloth mask is very good, and it is rather best one. Why? Because you can keep the 2-3 masks and it is easily washable. So every day you can wash it and dry it in the sun, so it will be infection free. So you can reuse them. So use the cloth mask, which is good for the general public wherever you are going, except if you are in a very infectious area, right? How to go to the office? Then you need to try to use your own vehicle. vehicle which is like public transport is yet to be started, but if it is started, try. If you who can afford, they should take their own vehicle to avoid the contamination with the others, right? And if you have your own car or the two-wheelers, you need to clean the handles, which is the area you need to hold with a soap and water every day. Nothing else is needed. Soap and water, or which is the alcohol-based rub. It is a 2% hypochlorite. There are so many things, but soap and water for the general public we are talking, so it is good enough. So you can clean this. You just, when you are going, so you should be wearing the mask out. And in the office, when you are just in entering into the office, do not use the lift if possible. Use staircase, because they are the safe one. You will not be interact with anyone. And if this is essential to use the lift, so press the button with your like folded finger, not from this.
Yes.
So you can see, if you can see, folded finger. So that is to be used for any kind of the pressing the lift button. And avoid the crowd. If it is crowded lift, wait. Next visit, next time you can go. And how to stand in the lift. You need to maintain the social distancing, physical distancing in the lift also. And best is face towards the wall of the lift. So you will be able to protect yourself, right? So face towards the wall of the lift and do not touch the surfaces of the lift. That is very important. Office, you are reached to the office. Please, this is not the time. You might have seen your colleague after a long time, but no time for the hugging, smooching, shaking hand with the colleagues. Namaste, hi, hello from the distance is the best way. And that's how it is our old culture, our own culture. So namaste. You can use the namaste or anything which you want from the distance. Meeting better online. What you are doing till now on discussion on phone. So avoid the physical connection with in the office as much as you can. If you are using the meeting room, definitely it should be maintain the physical distancing. How to eat? Please avoid the cafeteria area. How much it is possible. If you cannot, then use maintain the physical distancing. Otherwise, eat at your own space. And please, for some time, avoid sharing the food, because it will give you unnecessary like the panicky situation if something or someone came out the positive after a week or so. So it's better to be self-limited. Okay, so that is how we need to behave in the office. Drink your own water. You can drink 2-3 times any kind of the green tea or the whatever tea you want in the office. That is okay. Only important thing is keep hydrating yourself. So drink a lot of water. Keep on drinking water. That is very important, right? So how further what we need to go when we are just you want to come from the office work is finished. Now it is time to come back. Okay, so while coming back again, as and when always sterilize your gadgets, phone, and hand sanitize yourself before going back to your car. And when you are reaching home, your shoes should be off outside your home. Your bag should be outside your home. If you are wearing a business suit, so it can be coat, it can be hanged in your car. So don't take everything, don't bring back everything to inside your home. And till you directly go to your washroom, change your clothes, take a shower, and before that, please do not hug or kiss or meet your children. Try to avoid them. After you have taken the bath and lukewarm water with salt, and this is how it will be. You will be able. Important is not touching your face, and keep your hand clean. So in the office also, you can clean your hand, washing your hand with the soap and water after every 2-3 hours, and after 1 hour, it is to be sanitized. So that is how you need to protect yourself. Now it is a diet part. I am handing over to Dr. Deepika. She will explain you what to eat, how you can just do, how to improve your immunity, what is the role of the diet in the immunity, and definitely don't forget to exercise. immunity depends upon the exercise. Okay, Dr. Deepika, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Ruby. Very good evening to everyone. So I'll catch up with the diet part. One of the best way to stay healthy is through a nutritious diet. And our strong immune system relies on a steady supply of nutrients. So I'll be sharing a daily diet regime for boosting your immunity. So let's start. Early morning, start your day with a glass of warm water or a glass of warm water with watercress powder, or you can add cinnamon. This warm water with lemon will help you to wash out the toxins also, and it also helps to cleanse your liver. And the warm water with cinnamon will help to control your blood sugar levels, and also it will help to regulate your metabolism. And if you are adding watercress powder to your warm water, it helps to boost your energy levels, and also it detoxifies. Any of this water you can take at alternate days, whichever you like. Better to have warm water, that is more important. And this alkaline mixture, which will help you to reduce the morning acidity and also promote the smooth bowels. After this, if you are fond of tea, better to go for herbal teas like turmeric tea, ginger tea, or if you want to have milk tea also, have it with very less of milk. With this, you can have handful of nuts with it. Handful of nuts will help you to get your zinc and selenium amounts for the day. In this, whatever is available in the market easily, conveniently, and whatever is at your home, you can go with that. Like for almond seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, whatever you have, easily you have, or walnuts, cashew nuts, a handful of. If you don't have these, you can also go for dry roasted peanuts. That is also a very good source of protein and a healthy fat. After this, give yourself 1 hour for meditation, yoga, pranayam. After that, before stepping out from home, have a very healthy breakfast. Do not step out without a heavy breakfast. So what will you get for your breakfast? Breakfast should be a well-balanced diet with all the nutrients, protein, carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins. So what will we have? We can go for a besan chilla with lots of veggies in it. We can go for moong dal chilla. We can also go for a stuffed paratha with a cup of yogurt also. See, a healthy, strong gut helps to build a strong immune system. So do not forget to have a cup of curd daily. Or if you want to go for omelets, try to add more and more of veggies to your omelet so that you get a very good amount of fiber also in your diet. Along with that, all the minerals and vitamins in the form of veggies you'll get. So use lots of greens in your breakfast along with a good combination of protein and carbs in the form of besan or whole wheat. Then between breakfast and lunch in your office or your workplace, please try to carry a bottle of warm water. In it, you can add some grated ginger or you can add tulsi leaves. Keep on drinking this whole entire day or in between. Then if you want to go for a fruit also, you can have a fruit, a seasonal fruit you can have. But do not take cut fruits in your office. Try to carry a whole fruit. Any seasonal fruit, you can go for it. After that, lunch, when you are out for your work, try to make a lunch very simple so as to avoid contamination with lots and lots of boxes. So it can be a dal chawal or vegetable khichdi or rajma rice, chana rice. These all you can have, and also a cup of curd again. And then in between your lunch and dinner, in your office, if you're in the office for evening tea, again you can go for the herbal tea or that warm water which you are carrying. Again, you can have some dry roasted nuts which you are carrying it from your home. Then when you reach home, pre-dinner, you can go for some vegetable soup, which will also help to add to your zinc and selenium levels, which will this immunity booster also. Or you in the summertime, you can go for sattu also with jaggery. Or if somebody likes to have spicy sattu, then you can go for spicy sattu also. which is a very good high protein source. Then go for a dinner. In lunch, we didn't have a salad, so we can go for lentil salads for dinner, like rajma salad or black chana chaat or white chana salad or sprouted salad. This is all packed with dense nutrients which will help to boost your immunity. Or if you don't want to go for salads, just have a small portion of this. Along with that, you can go for your 2 whole wheat chapatis, dal, salad, raita. Or if you want to go for South Indian, then it is also a very good option. You can go for South Indian foods. And for non-vegetarians, they can have chicken breast salad or chicken curry, but it should be very nicely washed and very nicely cooked. If you want to go, any food, if you are cooking, it should be very well cooked before eating. And along with this also, you can have good amount of salads with it. Bedtime, go for a concoction. Take a 250 glass of water. In that, you can add cloves, you can add black pepper, you can have kachi haldi, you can have a moti ilaichi also, badi ilaichi you can add to that, or you can add ginger also. Make a decoction of this and have it with a piece of jaggery with it. And don't forget to keep yourself hydrated, because mild dehydration is a physical stressor to the body. And with all these dietary changes, do not forget to have a proper sleep and proper exercise. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Deepika.
Now, Dr. Priya I'm giving this to Dr. Priya. She'll tell you about some homeopathic medicines for immunity booster also and for this COVID-19 scenario.
Okay, so now let us talk of boosting your immunity. What exactly is immunity? Your power to fight illness, whether it is from bacterial, fungal, viral, or any other microbial agent or any other condition, that power is called immunity. Now, this immunity, we understand, can be raised through measures and through medicines. Measures we've all heard, diet part we have heard, meditation, yoga, exercise. These are measures, but they should be done to an individual capacity. Everybody has a capacity to exercise, and we should all respect our body and follow that. But basically, 5 minutes of meditation, 15 minutes of yoga, and 10 minutes of exercise is quite effective. This half an hour of investment that you people will do in yourself will have long-term health benefits. This will help not only in preventing diseases, but it helps in maintaining lifestyle diseases like hypertension and diabetes and other illnesses with minimum medication. Everyone, please mute yourself. Okay. So now let us understand the immunity raising medicines. Actually, all homeopathic medicines are known to work through increasing our immunity. But for today's condition, arsenic album has been prescribed by the Ayush Ministry. Arsenic album, this medicine in 30 potency, daily for 3 to 5 days, has shown quite promising results. In Gujarat, it was tried on 1600 quarantine patients and none of them tested positive. This doesn't mean that this can cure corona. It is just a prophylactic and trials are still going on. But you can still try taking it. People who have other comorbidities need more individualized treatment, and they should always go for one-to-one consultation with an experienced homeopath. And the other bothersome area these days, I'm sure many of you would be facing, is the inability to sleep. Because of anxiety, stress, or overwork, we are not able to sleep properly. And next day, the productivity of work is affected. So Ignitia Amara, Ignitia in 200 potency, for 3 days at bedtime really helps. And homeopathy actually has, a rich heritage, and it is many remedies which can be used based on individualized symptoms and conditions. But for that, you need one-to-one consultation and proper guidance of a practitioner and a certified homeopath. Okay. So now I think we can take the questions. So as I was going through the chat, meanwhile, Dr. Deepika, the first question for you is, somebody is asking, can they take cinnamon in summers? And another one similar to this is, can cinnamon and lemon be taken together with water in the morning? Sorry, Dr. Deepika, you can please repeat.
Yes, these can be taken separately. Do not mix cinnamon with lemon. You can mix lemon with ginger water. You can mix lemon with turmeric water. You can mix lemon with jeera water, but do not mix lemon with cinnamon.
Okay.
Yes, Dr. Priya.
Oh,
Next
yes.
question.
Okay, so the next question, I think, which already we've answered, but still, Dr. Ruby, if you can elaborate. Are cotton masks, helpful? Because somebody doesn't want to use plastic mask as they cause rash.
Yes, yes, Dr. Priya. We are just keep on telling people, don't use these masks. These masks is not for you. You cannot wear it for whole day, because this is very difficult to wear for us even, because it will leave the mark on your face, and it is not none of any use. Yes, 3-layer cotton mask is the best one, which you can wash every day and you can reuse it. Only thing, make sure the mask is tight enough. It is covering your nose and whole elbow, and there should not be much of the space towards the ear. And you should not touch the mask from the front side. Always use it with the strings, only strings. Okay, only with the strings. So you should use it like this.
Okay. I think, and many questions are coming about the homeopathic treatment. See, I've already explained arsenic album 30, for 3 days in the morning, empty stomach, or for 5 days based on individual symptoms. It can be taken as a prophylactic. But it's, exactly for a proper consultation, you must see your homeopathic doctor on the phone, teleconsultation, video consultation, because maybe he can do a better job, for you. Arsenic album has been certified by the ministry. There is no harm in taking it. If you want a proper consultation, reach out to your homeopath. Okay, everybody is available online. Everybody is there. And so, see, personal questions about food allergies and diet charts, I'm not taking right now because that will be out of the topic. We are always available online for video consultation, and we have anti-obesity packages, and we have other allergy packages. All these things we have. You can reach out to us later on, because that will take away our time from other people. And
yeah, more questions.
More questions. Okay, this I think we can take because this is related to diet, Dr. Deepika. Chana salad, rajma salad can we take at night, or because one should have high protein diet at night or not in current conditions?
Definitely we can have high protein diet for night, because it has low calorie content also, and it is high protein, so it also helps to maintain the weight. So we can have it in the night, but before 3 hours of sleep.
Okay. And somebody is asking, can we eat 2 parathas in the morning? You can.
Definitely we can have. Definitely we can have.
See, if your mom is ready to make it for you, you can have them, we have no problems. So,
definitely.
But because if we have to make it ourselves, so we will not make parathas, we'll go in for some shakes. But if your mother is available and she can make it for you, please have them.
It's always better to step out with a very heavy good breakfast. So it is advisable to have 2 stuffed parathas.
Okay. So now, see, Dr. Deepika, I don't know, Dr. Ruby, any of you can answer, please. It's about kids, it's difficult to teach kids, it is a tough job. How do you handle, will they be handled to go once they go to school? Dr. Ruby, I think you can answer for kids infection, how to, prevent them from infection once they go to school.
It's a yet far away to go to the school. Please believe me, schools are going to be open at last. Okay, so we are not going to. It is not. It's time. Only thing, you spend now the time to build their immunity. Develop a good healthy habit. Develop a good hygienic practice among the children. That is the challenge you need to do. And believe me, if you will follow, they will definitely follow. And I think Dr. Priya has the 2 young kids, and we are seeing every day how they are just even doing much better than the adults. So you need to keep on teaching them.
We can teach you to handle your kids also, no problems. You know,
Yes.
we teach
Yes,
everything.
We can basically teach you.
We are happy to teach as long as you are willing to learn.
Yes.
So, Dr. Ruby, I think you can take this question quickly. Arogya Setu app, please talk about the utility.
Yes, of course. If you are stepping out, definitely, although government is every time it's saying ki everybody should have the Arogya Setu app. But I am here telling, yes, you need to download. And if you are stepping out, it is a must thing to download, as it is giving you the outlook about your surrounding area. Definitely, you need to keep your Bluetooth on. Your phone should be in the working condition, not in the off condition. So when you are just going out in the morning, just check whether you are in the safe area, and it will give you the alert as in when you will be in the surrounding in the contaminated area. So it is a good thing. Please do download.
Okay, so quickly I'll clarify doubts about arsenic again. Arsenic, should it be repeated after a few weeks? See, if somebody is going out very anxious, exposure to infection, kindly take it every day. Arsenic 30, week, 10 days, 15 days. But if you are a patient, I can guide you properly. Right now, as a general thing, you know, ministry has recommended only for 3 days or 5 days. And Camphor 1M, still not useful in India. That trial was done outside India. Okay, we have many medicines. We can help you guys. It's not 2 medicines. No, 2 medicines are too small to just label them with corona. And again, dosage of arsenic questions I'm not taking anymore. I've clarified the doubts. Now, Dr. Deepika, about vegetables and grocery items, how to procure them safely and how to, bring them safely into your house and on the table.
Yeah,
I
first of all,
I will have to answer how to buy them.
Okay,
and
sure.
Deepika answer how to clean them, because there is a lot of myth around.
Okay,
Right?
we have 30 seconds.
Sorry,
We have
Dr.
30 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just saying, infection is not coming with the vegetable. Infection is maybe come with the vegetable vendor and the people around that. Okay, so make sure you are not touching much of the vegetables. That is the important. And wash your hand when you are coming. Dr. Deepika, tell how to wash the vegetable, please, quickly.
Please, yes.
We are shorting of time.
Yes.
Deepika. Dr. Deepika?
yes. Yeah.
How to wash the vegetable?
See, first of all, before washing your vegetables, whatever you have bought from the grocery or the vegetables, try to keep it aside for at least 5 to 6 hours. If it is possible to keep it for more than 5 to 6 hours, then it is very good. Then first wash your hands, as ma'am told, first, your hands are more important. Wash your hands properly, then wash the fruits and vegetables very properly, rinse it, and do not ever use soaps and detergents to wash your fruits and vegetables, because fruits and vegetables are porous and your soaps and detergent, it can absorb. So try to wash it thoroughly with running water, and also you can soak it for some time in a salt solution. And if you want to rub it, you can use a sponge or you can use a brush to clean those fruits and vegetables and keep it for dry for some time. Then use it properly and cook it very nicely.
Okay.
It
Fine,
should not
Dr.
be
Deepika.
eaten raw.
Okay, Dr. Deepika, sorry to cut you short. So actually we have many queries for corporate sessions, whether we do paid corporate sessions. Yes, my dear friends, we have been doing these sessions for the last 6 to 7 weeks, online, paid, complimentary. We are doing all kinds of stuff. You can contact us, and but for donations or your payments, you can directly make to the PM Relief Fund. That's a contribution to society and to our country in these difficult times. And for today's session also, if you want to donate something to the PM Relief Fund, kindly go ahead, but just acknowledge us, And if there is any question, we can just quickly take one more question, I think.
Yeah, see, if there is any question.
Ma'am, is it necessary to take bath every time when we come from outside, Dr. Ruby?
Yes, basically because it's a summertime. Usually it is recommending, even before the corona epidemic, if you are coming out of the office in the factory, so they should take bath. But in the corona time, yes, it is necessary to take bath. It's from the office. Not every time, whether you are just going to buy the groceries or something, so you should not take bath. This is not. Only thing, if you are out for 8-9 hours, then when you are coming, so you will feel fresh, you will feel safe, and your children will feel safe. So that's why with the soap and water, the bath is good.
Okay, we would love to keep connected with you guys for longer, because questions are interesting. We are also learning and, relearning with you guys. But time has come to end the session, and I would like to thank each one of you for your precious time on behalf of the Integrated Wellness Clinic team for attending this session. And for personalized care, you can reach out to us through WhatsApp, or, you have our numbers. But please kindly send your reviews on the numbers, okay? And you can keep sending your contacts. We'll keep having these sessions, as long as Corona is with us, we guys are with you. Okay, have a great weekend ahead, guys. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
Thank you. Namaskar.